Hey guys, I finally found some more Mix 12 in my Target. Alrighty guys, so they actually got a fresh set of like Mix 12, so I might pick up these two, the Wolf's Head and the Megalodon, and I might pick these up another day, but yeah, we're gonna go home and we're gonna review these. Alrighty guys, we got them, now we're gonna go home and review them. Can't wait for that Wolf's Head. Yes, so my Target finally got a fresh set of Mix 12, but I wasn't able to get the rest of the trucks because of money issues, so yeah, so far I got 2 trucks out of Mix 12, the Whiplash and the Freebird. And I found these 2 today. These 2 are like my most wanted one, even more than the Blue Thunder ride truck. But I really wanted the Water Megalodon because I would love to see the chrome on the shocks and the headers and stuff. So yeah, I might pick up another one to make a custom out of. And then obviously Wolf's Head is just it's just unbelievable. Like completely unbelievable. I love this truck so much. It's so beautiful. But we're going to be unboxing the Megalodon first. So, yeah. And in Mix 12, you can get these trucks. You get the Reckless Trucks Gravedigger, which I couldn't find there. Earthshaker, Aftershock, Freebird, Whiplash, Wolf's Head, Wonder Woman, and the Blue Thunder ride truck. And, yeah, let's open up Megalodon and, yeah, let's review him. Okay, so we finally got the Water Megalodon out the package. So, hopefully the lighting is much better in this video. I finally figured out the situation, so holy crap, I love that roll cage. I can't wait to make a custom out of it. So yeah, we got the really cool textured water tires. Just water splashing on the tires. We got clear rims. That looks so sick. And then we got a like aqua almost like a lagoon blue, like see-through. It's so cool. And then we also got water splashing up on the Megalodon body. We got the Monster Jam logo, clear fins, crystal clear fins too. You can see it by my marker. You can see through it. It's just so cool. We got the front of the Megalodon. Nothing's really changed on the body except the water splashing. A dark blue chassis. It just looks so cool. I can't wait to get 2 more. One to make a custom and one to keep in the box. Because this has got to be one of my favorite trucks of 2021. I love, heck, even the Elemental's Gravedigger got me really happy because I love these earthy tires. It gave it then this charcoal, almost gold roll cage, chassis actually. And, yeah, I love how the Elemental series actually has the wheels where they don't, like, they roll really well. They roll just like a normal Monster Jam truck. Oh, that just bumped into it. But yeah, they just roll into like a normal Monster Jam truck and it's just no issues at all. Yeah, so that's the Water Megalodon. Really sick. Definitely one of my favorite trucks of 2021. Yeah, so next up is the amazing Wolf's Head. Jeez, I got a stuffy nose. But, yeah, Wolf's Head is just insane. Because apparently the Monster Jam OCD, the information about Wolf's Head and the body of the 3D printing is almost picture perfect. Almost exactly the exact same rendering for, the actual real life Wolf's Head. So, yeah, let's open it up and let's review Wolf's Head. Wow, that was an easy pack. Oh, the beautiful motor oil, Wolf's Head motor oil, Wolf's Head. So, yeah, this truck is just, oh, it's incredible. There's a piece of hair on it. I think my dog got to it. So, yeah, so we got the eye that's open there with the driver. We got sparkly paint, really sparkly. You can see it, it's like sparkly. Oh, you can see it up here pretty easily. Yeah, it's really sparkly. We got the Wolf's Head motor oil on top. We got the Monster Jam logo. We have the sponsor. I can't remember what that sponsor was. Wolf's Head motor oil. Here we got the back. Wolf's Head since 1879. We got the eye. We got the teeth. We got the front of the truck. Look how like you don't want this thing coming at you. We got a red chassis and a black roll cage with red bead locks and black rims. Really sick. Man, this truck Spinmaster has like done a lot of work on this truck, and I love it so much. It's honestly so beautiful. Yeah, I cannot wait because I want to do the accurate version of it with the chrome headers and then all chrome shocks, the little red, what was it? It was like a bar that holds in all the shocks together and stuff like that. So, yeah, definitely a big custom, definitely number one, 100% custom on my list. So, yeah, that was the review of the Monster Jam Spin Master Wolf's Head Motor Oil and Water Megalodon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it because I have these trucks finally. Finally getting Mix 12. Hopefully I'm going to finish it soon. So yeah, guys, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Go follow my Instagram at GraveDiggerFan354. Link in the description. And yeah, so I guess see you guys later. Hopefully the quality was much better. See ya!